When children learn how to draw a paw print, they get a chance to think more about the shapes that make up a cat or dog's foot. Their prints do look a lot alike, but there are some tiny differences if you look pretty closely at them. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. Step number 1. I've already added my center pencil guidelines on my paper, but you can also just fold and crease your paper too to make those lines. Let's start with the cat paw, which is the one on top. We can begin with that large shape, which is symmetrical, so having a center guideline will help. I'm going to draw one side and then the other to match. Step number 2. Okay, to add the toe shape above, which some call pads, draw an oval above just to the left of that center line. Step number 3, then add the same size oval on the right. Step number 4, and finish with 2 more ovals, one on either side like this. Step number 5. Okay, now for the dog paw. The main shape is symmetrical too, and looks a lot like the cat paw, so we can draw one side and then the other to match. Step number 6. We can add a toe shape above and make it a little larger and taller than the pads for the cat. Step number 7. And after one oval is drawn, then draw another on the other side to match. Step number 8. And finish up with the last 2 toes, one on either side. Step number 9. Okay, our drawings are all done. It's time to get out that black marker and trace all those pencil lines. As always, when I'm done tracing, I always take a moment to erase any pencil lines that might still be showing. Now we can bring out our crayons. I'm going to make my paws both brown. And then finish up with a blue background to add a little more color. Here is my finished drawing, and that is how you draw both a cat and a dog paw print. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more lessons, which over the years have helped millions of kids learn how to draw things like a cat and a dog. Thanks so much for joining me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you get notified as soon as I post a new one.